the Sir Spooks again. Top 5 scary videos to never watch alone. And I am alone. Things were good with Sir Spooks, and then I was upset again, and then things were good, and then I'm now upset again. So hopefully this is redemption for him.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Alright, let's begin. We all know that kids can be absolutely adorable, especially our own, but sometimes they can be downright terrifying without having any intention of it, such as the case here. In this first video in a series of TikTok videos, this young kid seems to be having fun playing around in his room. The dad who uploaded the video to his account says that he heard the youngster whispering 5 minutes prior to this. The dad then asks the boy what he's doing, and it turns out he's drawing a picture on a chalkboard. But it's not just any ordinary picture. In fact, it's quite bone-chilling to say the least. Take a look.
Bro, I feel like that setup was too long. That was a lengthy ass setup.
Elliot, what are you doing? Oh, that's cool. What's that? What's that in the corner?
The man hanging.
Oh, why have you drawn that? Oh, really?
Yeah, you take that guy, take the kid back to the hospital or whatever. I don't know. I don't know. Give it away. Like, that's terrifying.
Really? What does he do?
He annoys me at the night.
Why?
Because he does this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But I'm not allowed to tell anybody.
Okay.
When the dad asks why he drew that,
Oh, and that would be crazy to make your kid say that shit just for a video. That would be crazy. Like, that's a problem, right? Like, I'd be really concerned at that point. I feel like this is like, you haven't known about this and it's developed like to a degree that's not good.
the kid alludes to the fact that there is a hanging ghost somewhere in his room. In the second video, the kid once again talks about the fact that
Wait, let me see the drawing. It's actually hanging? Yeah, I mean, what else do you... Unless the kid just thinks he's like hanging from a string? Like maybe it's like some kid brain shit?
In the second video, the kid once again talks about the fact that there is a hanging ghost in his room, much to the bewilderment and horror of his father, who has no idea what is going on.
Stop it.
Elliot? What are you doing?
I see the man hanging.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right.
He's crying and I keep saying stop it.
Is he crying? Yeah. Does he cry quite a lot?
Yeah, because he's got his fever up there and he's up there
Okay.
in the corner.
Okay, thank you.
But he annoys me at
Oh, dude, this guy's like really good at like having communication with the child like it's a normal person. I feel like other parents just be like demanding all the time and they're not like speaking, like having a conversation. Like, yeah, he had him even draw what he's seeing out. Like that's good. And obviously he's probably like actually scared.
Okay, thank you.
In the third video, the dad explains that he put a camera in the new bedroom. He says he put his son to bed, and then not long later, this happens.
It would be better for the boy to sleep in a different room. Well done, Dad. I put a camera in the new room. I put him to bed, then within 20 minutes he ran down. This was 6 p.m. Whoa. Oh, that's... Dude, what would you even do there? Like, I wouldn't even know what to do. Like, who do you even talk to that's not going to think you're insane? And he wouldn't be faking this.
So, what do you think is going on here? Does this kid simply have a very interesting imaginary friend? Or is there really a hanging ghost in this room that he's friends with? Let's hope it's the former.
Yeah, bro, that's actually just like sad. I mean, it's a good video. It's like a good scary video, but honestly, it does make me sad.
Since we're all huge fans of the paranormal, I think most of us would be excited about the idea of stumbling upon something anomalous, like an unknown creature, alien, or ghost. Well, what if I told you there's an international
Is that what he looks like? Have I known that?
secret organization concealing such anomalies so that you and I can continue living our
Oh.
peaceful...
Oh, he's doing another thing? Oh, this was 2 years ago. Oh, that's cool.
Imagine you're outside and you're walking up to your house, about to go inside and relax for the remainder of the day. It's something all of us do on a daily basis with no fear involved. Sadly though, this woman is never going to do this routine the same way ever again after what happened to her in this video. In the footage, we see her walking up to her front door, about to go inside with her baby. The woman successfully enters her home, but just a few moments later, this absolute creep walks right up to her front door and does this.
Ew. Ew, bro, and he sees her with a kid. Like, what do you... Dude, these are actually... And she clocked him right there. She saw it. Because he, like, crossed the street. Yo, if she moved just a little slower, oh my god. Go, 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 go. That's crazy. Ew, what a weirdo, dude. Dude, this is cool. These are actually like real videos.
Thankfully, the homeowner locked the door after she had entered her home, or else who knows what kind of awful things could have happened to the woman and her baby. This video...
Yeah, dude, that's scary. Every time I come home, I immediately lock the door. The second I get inside, I have stairs too, so I would know if someone was coming up. But I mean, it's just a habit. It's a good habit.
UFO sighting videos are absolutely everywhere on the internet, especially if you're a fan of the popular horror subreddits. There are tons and tons of videos out there,
I do not like UFO videos.
and sometimes it's hard to find one that
They're
stands
lame.
out, but this one certainly does. Usually, a UFO sighting video depicts just one disc-shaped object, but this creepy piece of footage depicts 3 separate UFOs forming a triangle, which is quite fascinating. Take a look.
Oh, we've seen this video. Was it not Sir Spooks? I think it was another channel we tried.
Bro, what the
Or is this different?
Bro, what the
Now, of course, since this video has little to no context provided with it, it's definitely tough to analyze the
Okay, this is actually a different video, but that looks incredibly similar to the one that we did see. I think it was a Sir Spooks video because that wasn't the same. I don't know if you guys saw that one or remember that, but I'll have to find out which one that is. That's crazy, actually. Okay.
similar UFO sightings in the past. Others, as should be expected, claim that it's a fake piece of footage. Whether or not it's real, it's hard to determine for sure. It also depends on whether or not you're a believer of alien life.
Yeah, I mean, well, at this point, they proved that. I don't know if that was, I think that was before 2 years ago, but they proved that. So, I mean, could be, bro. Because that doesn't look like a drone.
It's real, it's hard to determine for sure.
I mean, actually, it could be, though. Because they are, some of them are, like, huge. And then that one could have, like, several things on it.
It also depends on whether or not you're a believer of alien life.
That does look pretty good, though. I'm not going to lie. And I just said, I hate UFO videos. That wasn't terrible.
This TikTok user named Ben Vesti is about to enter this eerie abandoned building
Okay. Some urbex.
in the middle of broad daylight. It looks to be in extremely rough shape, and it certainly looks quite creepy. Ben is probably wanting to enter the house to explore the area and see if he can spot anything out of the ordinary. Perhaps he wants to bump into some paranormal entities. Well, if he does, then he doesn't even need to go inside to see one, because little did he know, he already filmed one way before he even stepped one foot inside the creepy house. Take a look.
Don't tell me it was that little thing.
As Ben pans the camera across the house from the outside,
I mean, that could be a real person, though.
a terrifying ghostly apparition can be seen moving around in the house. Ben did not notice this at the time of the recording.
It, like, moves with his camera perfectly. And it almost seems like some kind of, like, glare or something. I know that sounds kind of goofy.
Ben did not notice this at the time of the recording.
Like, it pans perfectly. Like, that's a little weird to me. I don't know. That one's not great. I thought we were going to get into, like, a more... That was not what I was expecting. All the other ones have been good. That was super awful.
This video posted to Instagram shows a biker riding around on a dirt trail in the forest on a nice sunny day. At one point in the video, the biker stumbles across a huge pile of bones, which is quite unsettling, obviously. Later on in the video,
I think we saw this one in a bizarre bub. Let
he
me see.
stumbles upon a split
Hold on.
in the path. He can either go left or go right in order to continue traversing through the woods. However, before he even has a chance to think about which way he wants to go,
There's like somebody coming up. Yeah, we saw this one. Yep.
he
We're already halfway through. I'll just keep playing it.
notices that it just got unreasonably quiet around him, which is when he spots this out of the corner of his eye.
Holy crap, dude, this trail going on forever. It just got really quiet really fast.
You know, I struggled to see it the first time, but that sound effect was so OD. That was not necessary. Yeah, they were just waiting to like ambush you pretty much. But no, that one's cool too because it's like real. But we have seen that before.
Uploader.
So unfortunately, and that's, come on, bro. All right. Yeah, 5 videos. That was really short. That was a very short one of these, but honestly not bad. That first one was really good because that's gonna stick with me. Anyway,